Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in your art class. So dear student, for today's our topic is rainbow. We will make rainbow. So here are some colors. We have painting colors, a bush and a white paper. We draw it rainbow's line. So let's start coloring. Dear student, first you have to make lines and then start coloring. Like here you can see. प्यारे बच्चों, आपको इस तरह से सफाई के साथ कलर को यूज़ करना है। Dear student, our rainbow is complete. So our other process is that for that we have need scissor and papers, glue. Dear kids, we have to make two clouds. Okay, two clouds we have to make from paper, and we have to make some strips like this. You will make and attach with a cloud. Dear kids, आपने जो clouds बनाए थे वो अब आप इस रेनबो के साथ अटैच कर इसे लगा देंगे. Hope you enjoy this video. Allah Hafiz.